Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a TikTok business account to promote your brand and access advertising tools, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device or visit tiktok.com on your web browser. Step 2. If you don't have an account, sign up for a new TikTok account using your email, phone number, or social media account. Step 3. Once logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 4. Tap the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 5. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 6. Tap on Manage Account and then look for Switch to Business Account option. Step 7. Choose the category that best represents your business from the list of options provided. Step 8. Review and add your business contact information, including email and website if applicable. Step 9. Complete your business profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and links to your website or other social media. Your TikTok business account is now active with access to analytics, advertising tools, and commercial music library. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.